You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this word. Yes, I know those two words. They are two different words. They have the exact same spelling, but they are to be pronounced differently. So let's clear things up. If you want to learn more vocabulary in English, make sure to stay tuned. I've got tons more for you to learn, way more. So if you want to say something that is from Poland, you're going to be saying in English Polish. Okay, so that's your pronunciation. Polish, meaning from Poland, as in a Polish name or Polish names, okay? Or somebody who is from Poland, the Polish president or minister, for example, or a Polish dish, Polish cuisine. Now, if you want to say to make a surface shiny, as in a stone, it's to be pronounced polish, alright? So no diphthong anymore, so it's not po, it's po. Polish, as in to polish a stone or polish silver or metal. Polish, alright? So Polish meaning from Poland, polish meaning to make shiny. Did you get this? Could you hear the difference? Was this any useful? Let me know in the comments. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.